Hello guys, I'm Ilyas. I'm from Tajikistan.
I'm Haider and I'm from Pakistan. Today we are in Chengdu Giant Panda Beach.
I thought they have activities about Golden Panda Award and just go have fun together. Let's go! Oh! 好吃吗？这个是鸡胸吗？哦
So good. See?
We are going to play this game. So funny, but it's hard. Yeah, oh no.
开始。大熊猫是近视眼，对不对？大熊猫是近视眼哦。
对。
终于给。
厉害，谢谢，
加一个什么？
谢谢。哒哒哒哒。
Wow! Beautiful camera, and here we have a lot of activities, and we did a lot of activities together, and he win this
Yeah, I
prize.
win this prize, and today this activity was very good. And here's a lot of people, and they are doing some game, and it's really good
Interesting.
activities. Yeah, just came and have fun together.
Together.
Come on，真熊猫就看金熊猫。